Hi, Brenda DeArmond here. I'm a real estate broker, and we're getting ready to have an estate sale and an open house, 3083 Pinnacle. This is in Summit Greens, and I'm going to turn around and give you a shot on the home which we're going to be opening as on June 6th, 7, and 8 between 9 and 3. Come on out. Again, it's 3083 Pinnacle Court here in Summit Greens. I want to give you an idea. It's a Sunday morning. Right here on a nice cul-de-sac, 55 plus community. You'll have to come into the gate on Highway 50 to get in. Tell them you're coming to the estate sale or an open house. The house is for sale for $365. I'm gonna walk you in it. See how well maintained the lawn is. The lawn is all maintained by Summit Greens, part of your HOA here. The birds are chirping. It's a good day. Coming in the front door. Nice covered area on this. Let's just look up here. Skylight as you come in. Again, it's messy because they're getting ready to have the estate sale on Friday. So you can see all the floors. Got tile floors here. It's a 2-bedroom plus a den. Here is the den. As you can see, all of these items are going to be for sale. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 9 to 3. Little niche here. You want to put an office. As you come in the front door, if you turn left, it's going to have the secondary bathroom. Again, there's going to be a lot of different things for sale. Nice fixtures in here. Here's all the stuff for sale. Some of the stuff for sale. A lot of linens. If you're needing any linens. The secondary bedroom. There's no bed in here, but you do have the end tables, lamps. Looks like there's a folding bed in there. Be more things to see come Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Nice dresser here. As you go back through the rooms, this is the living room. Again, all of these things are going to be for sale. Hope you want to live here. I live here. It's a nice place. 55 plus community. Go back here to the primary room. It's a nice big mirror there. I'll stand away from it so don't scare you. Here's the bedroom suite. More things in here. This is a very nice high-end bedroom suite here. There's a bay window. Nothing behind the house. There is a big fence back there. And this floor plan, this wonderful floor plan, it has huge closets. All built-ins here. And it goes on forever. Everything in here is for sale, so just getting a bird's eye view, but there'll probably be some more things as well. They pull them out of the area. Here's the bathroom. That's been renovated. The double sinks there go all the way to the end there. They took out the garden tub. Nice shower. If you're on no lumps on there if you're in a wheelchair or need some help. This is really a nice shower here. Then you have the linen closet. Go back in here. It's a nice little circular floor plan. Here's the dining room table, dining room area. Still going through all these. More things in that cabinet to be gone through. And here's the kitchen. All the kitchen has granite countertops. Need some kitchenware? Here you go. Nice appliances, stainless steel. This is a nice stove, microwave, closet here. And here's the eat-in kitchen, a kitchenette. Nice table. That cabinet over there is going to be sold as well. Plenty of room in this area. And you walk out to your laundry room. Goes into the garage. Comes with a washer and dryer. Plenty of items there. And right behind this door, as you come in, there is a closet. Put whatever you need for that. All kinds of items there. Here's the garage. There's a ladies' golf. Some items in the garage. 2-car garage. Nice ladders. I hope to see you come out here. It's always a fun time going through estate sales and seeing this house for the first time. Because it is for sale, and see the lanai here. It has tile as well. Little doggy door. Most people have an animal. Good sized lanai here. As you see, the backyard has that big fence up there. Nice and quiet. That's what the owner said. He loves it because it's quiet and peaceful here. If you want any more information on this house or what's happening on the estate sale, give me a call. I'm Brenda DeArmond. I'm the broker for this home, and my number is 407-721-2128, and I will see you on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Bye-bye.